Good morning to all. Today we are going to see the statement of Ohm's law. Ohms was the physics scientist. He make up the equation between voltage or potential difference and current. So he make the relation between voltage and current is like that. Means he said the potential difference is directly proportional to the current simply. So its statement is that in all the steady condition of the conductor, the potential difference between 2 points charges is directly proportional to the electric current flow through the conductor. So this is the statement of Ohm's law. So according to statements means there is the potential difference is directly proportional to current. So V is equal to directly proportional to I. So V is equal to Ki means if you calculate means so K is the constant and K is equal to V upon I, where K is the constant is equal to R means K is nothing but the resistance, that is the constant. This is the Ohm's law. R is equal to V upon I. This is the Ohm's law. Ohm's law we can write at the three types means R is equal to V upon I, V is equal to IR and I is equal to V upon R. So we can means write three types, or there is the one triangle. So in triangle is V, then upon I there is the three part are there. Upper part is the voltage and lower part is the current and resistance. So if you want the equation first, so R is equal to V upon I. If you want to equation second, V is equal to IR, V is equal to IR, and third is the I is equal to V upon R. So from this triangle we can write the Ohm's law in three equations. So its units of the resistance, we know that the unit of resistance is the ohm, unit of volt or potential difference is the volt, and current is the ampere. So now you can see there is the three parameters of their voltage, current and resistance. Is if two are given, we can calculate third. So for examples, so calculate the current flow in the circuit when 15 volt potential difference is applied across the resistance of 5 ohm. So here is given the voltage and resistance. We have calculated the current. So we know according to Ohm's law, R is equal to V upon I. Put the simply this value and we can calculate this is 3 ampere. Another example is there, calculate the resistance of the circuit if 12 volt potential difference is applied to the conductor carrying 10 ampere current through the current circuit. So here is we want to means calculate the resistance, and given is potential difference and the current. So R is equal to V upon A, this is the formula, and if we put this value we can get the 1.2 is the ohm. Then calculate the potential. Here asking the potential difference, given is resistance is 38 ohm, is flow of current is 10. So current is given, resistance are given, you can calculate the voltage or potential difference. So V is equal to IR and put up this value. So you can calculate the 380 volt. Then calculate the electric resistance of the potential difference is 16 volt, and while 10 ampere electric current is carrying through it, and another this one. So you calculate yourself. We will say the next point on the next lecture.